Hello, this is my pronunciation practice. 1. Reading. Read the following test. Try to make your best effort pronouncing the syllables. Don't forget to have in mind rhythm, intonation, and stress. Teacher protest. The protest lasts 1 week. The teacher wants smaller classes and better money. They say that there must be more staff in schools. School says that there is not money. However, teachers do not believe that. They say that schools spend the money in different things. 2. Minimal pairs. A minimal pairs is a pair of words that vary by only a single sound. These sounds may confuse English learners, then pronounce them having in mind this variation of the sounds. These are some samples. For example, cat, bat. White, wise. Ride, road. Kite, night. Take, steak. Coat, coat. Pin, bean. Teal, peel. Teach, pitch. They, pay. Big, big. Bill, peel. Duck, buck. Date, bait. Tall, call. Tool, cool. Tape, cape. Tote, coat. Town, gown. Tie, guy. Tap, gap. Tool, wool. Tag, gag. Table, gable. Tin, fin. Tail, fail. Tone, fun. Tick, Vic. 3. Intonation and stress. Read the following sentence, having in mind the supraccentmental features. A statement with 3 stresses. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. Statements with 4 stresses. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher told her students a story. A statement with 5 stresses. Alice wrote the letters very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book you brought yesterday. Special questions. Following intonation. What's your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friendly interest, politeness, reason intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did you say? Where have you been? General questions, rising intonation. Have you read this book? Have you heard this news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Request, rising intonation. May I speak to Ella, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative questions, rising and falling intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does she read this book in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? Tag questions, falling or rising intonations. You don't know them, do you? They haven't found it, have they? You weren't late, were you? I shouldn't do it, should I? Commands, falling intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Ask him for help. Request, rising intonation. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Exclamatory sentences, following intonation. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Direct address, rising intonation. Ella, can I help me? Lena, Are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumerating. Rising intonation. I bought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencils. Response. I can. She is. He will. You should. I can't. He didn't. Thank you so much.